your spring with flowers and food, it all starts with a packet of seeds. In case you didn't know, spring is not only about sowing flowers, but veggies too. For flowers, choose tall varieties like snapdragons, asters, cosmos, zinnias, sunflowers, and marigolds. They'll fill your garden with color and give you armfuls of cut flowers to bring spring indoors. Veggies like baby carrots, radishes, beetroot, bush beans, baby spinach, and loose leaf lettuce are perfect for beds or window boxes. Tomatoes and chilies can already be germinated indoors in warmer areas by planting into seedling trays. You can sow seed in trays to transplant later or plant them straight into window boxes. Yes, veggies too. Just make sure you're using a good seedling mix with some palm peat added and boost it with a slow-release fertilizer for extra nutrients. In trays, sow seeds no deeper than 3 times their size. Tiny ones just need a light press into the soil. Keep the soil moist, cover with a plastic bag or propagator for warmth, and thin seedlings as they grow. Once they're 6 to 10 centimeters high, transplant them into beds or bigger pots. For window boxes, choose containers at least 10 centimeters deep with the drainage holes. Line the base with weed guard or shade cloth. Fill with potting soil mixed with compost and sow the seeds directly. Keep the soil evenly moist, feed every 2 weeks with a liquid fertilizer, and give plants room to grow. Crowding leads to weak growth and pests. Find all your seed sowing goodies at a GCA garden centre near you. Visit lifeasagarden.co.za to find one in your area.